Hello, my name is Lina Maria Calvache Ramirez. I am studying in University UNAD in Bachelor and Foreign Languages with emphasis on English. Today I go to speak about of my daily routine. Let's go. Okay, my little morning in my house. In my daily routine, I wake up at 6 a.m. and I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, I take a glass of water and my medicines, and I take a shower. And after I dress for my job and cooking my breakfast, a little cup of chocolate, and 2 eggs with one armpit. At 7 a.m. I go off at my house and walking at my job place and begin to work at 7:15, actually working in a bank. At 7:30 a.m. I go up at my house and walking at my job place and begin to work at 7:15 a.m. actually working in a bank. I do the general service in this bank. Clean the edifice, cooking, drinkings for the adventure and employees the place. Sometimes I must be go to other banks for different reasons, like the cashing checks or paying. My lunch. At the lunch, go off of my house at 20:50 p.m. Walking for 10 minutes approx. Arrive at my home and prepare my lunch for me and for my aunt because I live with one aunt in your house and with your beauty and loving pet is a dog. Your name is Ruf. Is a poo. The afternoon. At 2 p.m. I go again my work, my job. I give the coffee at the employees and clean the office and the waiting room. The cash and the cash machine. Also clean the glass of the bathroom. When I finish, I go to archive the bank and I work for a little time in this place. I clean all when the door of closes for the public very fast, and I finish my job at 6:30 p.m. My favorite moment, the night, in this moment, and I walking from my house for 10 minutes approx. I am very exhausted. I prepare my dinner and I make my homeworks and my works for the university, that is, and wash my clothes and I go to sleep in 11 p.m. Sometimes I pray when I don't very exhausted. Okay, this is my daily routine and